Space Hangar Secrets. Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Fun with Caleb. And today we're here at the Uvar Hazy Center Air and Space Museum. Let's go. We're getting close to the space hangar. So this space hangar is actually kind of cool because they actually stored the real Space Shuttle Discovery right in there. And we're about to see it first. Just look at it. Like the first time I even saw it when I was really little, I was so surprised it was so big. I didn't even notice it was gonna be that big. And it has an open hatch right here, the landing gear. That is for actually when it lands on the runway at Earth. All of these dark spots block heat from the white parts. The burn marks are when it came from the atmosphere. Let's get a view of the space shuttle from the stairs. You see those dark things that are like cone shaped? Those are actually the boosters that make it launch or go. And there was an old big spaceship right here where it was, and it was removed long ago. It was removed like in the 2000s. It was called the Enterprise. And no, not the Enterprise from Star Trek. And right now, I kind of want to head back down because I want to show you a little surprise. And this is the surprise I wanted to show you, the space toys. They were set from long ago, back from when my grandma was little. And down here, you can see the Star Trek model that was very old. My daddy had these before. And you can see Chewbacca right there, C-3PO, and R2-D2. Whoever watches Babylon 5 will like this. So let me show you something really cool. Right here is a screen, but not just any screen. You can look at different planes insides. This is the mothership model, Close Encounters of the Third Kind. So here's a little bit of a secret. See if you can spot R2-D2. This is the restoration hangar. That crane can lift up 3 tons. You're gonna be amazed when you see the other ones back there. And here's a little bit of an Easter egg I wanna show you guys. And I'll tell you what the Easter egg is. It is Baby Yoda. See if you can actually find him where he is. Well, that's it today for Fun with Caleb. And make sure to like, subscribe, do all this good stuff. So I'll talk to you guys next time. So until then, goodbye. Fun with Caleb. Science, math, art, nature, and more. Hosted by Caleb. And Sally. Join us on an adventure. Meet new friends. Explore new places, tips, and tricks.